Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 2nd September 2024. In this video, let us evaluate the performance of high liquidity zones generated in the previous report. And also it is the end of the August month. We have completed the August month. Let us also evaluate the performance of all the executed HLQ zones during the month August. Even before that, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel homepage, you click on the community tab, or in place of community, you may find posts. So here, if you click on this post, you will be able to access this post that talks about our free training program. And this post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training videos. So click on this link. Now we are into the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. So far we have completed 24 training videos. 24 training lessons. From all these 24 training lessons, you can find 62 training videos. So you need to start our training from lesson 1.1. So you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So please join at the Telegram channel from this video description. It will be helpful to you each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important videos or updates we will be providing at our Telegram channel. Now let's get into the analysis discussion. Even before analysis discussion, let's quickly summarize the statistics of the August month HLQ trades. August month total 35 trades are executed. 35. Whatever the HLQ zones our software has provided, from all those HLQ zones, 35 trades are executed in the month August. Out of these 35, 31 are successful. Only 4 trades are stopped out. The success rate is 88.5%. Because always we are climbing, the HLQ zones will be having more than 80% success rate. So we got a very good success rate during this month. But average intraday ROI is slightly hurt because our average intraday ROI is 6%. But during this month we got only 4.6% average intraday ROI. Of course, a few days we got up to 9% average intraday ROI got, few days. And a few other days we got only 3% intraday ROI. The reason why we got less intraday ROI compared to 6% is the momentum, the overall momentum in the market during the month August is very slow. But still 4.6 is a very good intraday ROI. There is no doubt in that. But HLQ zones are having capacity to provide the ROI up to 6%. But that didn't happen in the month August. Okay, we have to accept sometimes the market momentum is slow. We may get a little less intraday ROI, but still 4.6 is a very, very good percent. No doubt in that. Because the general intraday traders, they expect 1 to 2% intraday ROI is a very good intraday ROI. But we got 4.6%. As per one future margin cost, we have calculated all these ROIs based on one future margin cost. You should not forget that point. Let me show you the trades in the month of August. See, all these are all the trades. The August month trades. Starting from 1st August, we have seen. See, we got a trade 8.2%, 5. See here 9.1 we got, but few trades we got 3.8, 3.8. So that average has come down to 4.6% intraday ROI. That point we have to understand. So all these are all intraday ROIs for individual trade. These are all the individual trades intraday ROI. This is what you have to understand. And we got a very good success rate in the month of August. Only 4 trades are stopped out. And even today we got a trade, successful trade in ACC, but it has given 3.2% intraday ROI. Almost half of our average intraday ROI, or a little over half of the average intraday ROI we got today. Sometimes this is what happened. Sometimes here 7.1%. This is more than our 6% average intraday ROI. In the month, there are a couple of trades, they got very few, very less here. See, look into this. Titan, not Titan, Sail. And next one is BEL. Both have given only 1.8 and 1.7 intraday ROI. Because of such kind of few trades, the average has been reduced. Okay, anyway, these are all the trades in the month of August. Actually, I'm supposed to complete July month statistics, because July month I was not active. So a lot of work I have to complete during this month. All the July month HLQ analysis videos I need to upload, because this is the by end of September we are going to complete 1 year publishing our HLQ zones. Because I have an objective, I set an objective, 1 year data I should maintain, a minimum 1 year data I should maintain in our YouTube channel. The statistics of last 1 year HLQ zone performance. See, any concept may work 1 month, 2 months or 3 months. But continuously a concept successfully working for a year, that means 12 months, means it is not an ordinary concept. Our HLQ zones are surprising for many experienced traders. When I was talking to some of the senior members in the industry, it is a surprise for them. First, they didn't believe getting such a huge success. The moment I shown the statistics, every video, HLQ zone analysis video is available. The reason why I am recording HLQ zone analysis, the two objectives. One is people who are learning the concepts, for them it is a review for them, and they will be learning the concepts. Second thing is these analysis statistics are helpful to the senior people, whoever is watching our results, because people will believe the data by seeing the fast data, because we are very transparent. Whatever we published yesterday and the next trading session, we are analyzing the data, we are checking the performance. And this is a proof of concept for the people how our HLQ zones are performing. And the new members will be joining at our channel. And these statistics are like a proof of concept. It's a proof. They will believe only by seeing the data. They will get confidence by seeing the data. And whoever is going to take our premium services, this data is a confidence for them. See, anybody who wants to make money, what is that they want? They want continuously profitable trades. Once in a while, they want to get the loss. They want to get more successful trades. So this data will be providing confidence to everybody. Maybe 1 month or 2 months or maximum 3 months, you may say it is lucky because the trades are worked. But here, our scenario is different. Continuously, this is the 11th month, continuously 11 months. Okay, Zola data I am yet to upload. I believe Zola also we have so many successful trades. Definitely the data will be more than 80% success rate. Zone only 2 days data is pending. That also I will upload in next 2 or 3 days. So that Zone statistics also we will get. So when we have such a great success rate, it is a proof of concept. And not only that, during this 1 year, we have seen so many actions in the market, so many events in the market. We have seen elections. We have seen elections results published. On the day election results are published, our trades worked very well. Budget day, we got the successful trades. And before election declaration, the whole month, April and May, we got a success rate. In all these months, we have seen success rate more than 80%. Only 1 month we got success rate 79.6 or something. Slightly. But that is okay. And if you look into the data so far, we got more than 85% success rate. If you average the 10 months data or 11 months data. So that's why high liquidity zones are continuously providing. Even today we got a successful trade. Because this is August, today's trade is August last recommendation. The 30th August, whatever the software results, that recommendation executed today. So let's analyze today's HLQ zones. Okay, the previous trading day, at the end of the day, our software identified 3 high liquidity zones then on 30th August. And all these 3 zones are 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone. Remaining time frame, we didn't find any high liquidity zone. Out of these 3, 1 trade we got the successful. ACC, first one ACC. ACC is a high liquidity zone identified by our software. This is a drop, base candles and a drop. This is what the software identified. And we have fine-tuned this zone with 15 minutes time frame. So here we identified a rally base drop and follow through candles. And within this 15 minute zone, again we identified 5 minutes time frame. We have a rally base and a drop with hidden body. If you add see there is a gap is there. If you add the hidden body, this is going to be a drop candle. And in this fine-tuned area, till this hidden gap, because hidden gap is a very small area. If we extend till the hidden body, you will get the trade. So exactly from the hidden body area, prices entered today, and then immediately they reached the target. When we got the trade today at 9:15 candle, we got the trade. And today at 10:15 candle, within 1 hour, it reached the target. And what is the RR for this particular stock? We have 4.22. 1:4.2 RR is there. The RR is also good. But the only problem is, this is a 9:15 candle, the trade. There are higher chances many people trades might not have been executed if it was very quick. If 9:15 candle, if it was stayed for some time, maybe all our trades might have been executed, but otherwise some of your trades might have missed. That possibility is there. And some people don't trade in the 9:15 candle. They trade from 9:16 candle. This is the way some people might have lost the opportunity. But here, whether you have taken the trade or you did not take the trade is not the question. However, high liquidity zones performed. Is it given a trade or not, or is it stopped out? See, if you see the last week, we have a stopped out trade. This is on 30th August, last Friday. We have a stopped out. This is also a 9:15 trade. Some of you might not have taken trade. For them, the stop loss would not have been hit for them because they didn't take the trade. But still, why we registered? Because it's a loss. Whether your trade is executed or not, it's irrelevant. But one opportunity is missed, provided by our software. That's why we registered. And today also the same is the case. Whether you took the opportunity or you missed it or your trade is executed, anything might happen. But how our high liquidity zones are working. How it pushed the price the moment it reached this area. See how it pushed. Exactly from the gap area. See till this point to this point. And we got 1:4 RR till this 15 minutes. So where is the 15 minutes target? Here. So here we have a rally, base rally is there. And even this zone is acting like a high liquidity zone. Supported several tests. It's like a 15 minutes high liquidity zone. So those who have taken trades on the 15 minutes zones, probably they would have got one more long trade opportunity here. But anyway, I am registering only high liquidity zone strategy related, the 75 minutes and daily high liquidity zone. But you can take several trades based on bullish and bearish trade setup. You can take the trade based on the other high liquidity zones at lower time frame, that is 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame. You may trace and you can take a trades. There is no rule that you have to trade only HLQ zone strategy. But why I am registering HLQ zone strategy? That strategy is having more than 80% success rate. And average intraday ROI we are getting around 6%. Maybe this month we got maybe 1.5% less. That is a different story. But in general we get many trades we get around 6% or a little above or little less we get. Because few trades they got very less ROI during this month. Because of those very few trades, the overall ROI is affected. But otherwise, good number of stocks we got 6% ROI are around that during this month. Okay. So this is about one successful trade. And this is the way sale has given 4,800 rupees profit as per one future margin, one future lot, and ROI is 3.2% as per one future margin cost. Around 1,51,000 the margin cost is there. Okay, this is about ACC and other two trades. One is LTF. LTF already I explained because last Friday we got a trade here. LTF in this candle. And today prices didn't reach up to this area because this is the lower time frame as an horizon to the higher time frame. But of course this is fine tuned with the 15 minutes time frame. This is the 5 minutes time frame fine tuned with this 15 minute zone. But today prices didn't reach up to here. But today in the dynamic market it looks like we have a rally based drop. Prices retraced, but when you look into 5 minute zone, this area you have a lot of base candles, so you can't plan a trade. But otherwise you would have got a trade, but because the order flow is very weak here, because all these are all base candles, more than 6 candles are there, you can't plan a trade here. That's why it didn't push the market down. This is the point you have to observe. And how I fine-tuned LTF already I explained in Friday video. So I am not going to explain how exactly we fine-tuned on Friday. And the next one is sale. Sale is a 75 minutes high liquidity zone. Here we have a drop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in the base and then again a drop candle. And this 75 minute zone I fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. In the 15 minutes time frame we have a drop, base, drop, 15 minutes zone is there, but there is no 15 minutes zone here, right? But still I have marked the 5 minutes zone. That means it could be an aggressive trade setup. Why I have drawn this 5 minute zone I will explain. But here we have a fine tuned 15 minute zone is there. But here we don't have a fine-tuned 15 minute zone in this area. You can draw rally 1, 2, 3, 4 drop candle, but I am not convinced with this leg out candle. Maybe you can compromise and you can draw the zone. Sometimes we will compromise and draw the zone. But somehow I didn't. It's for me it is a clear medium size leg candle. So that is one of the reason why I didn't show any interest to draw a fine-tuned 15 minute zone. But still, something interesting I have seen in the 5 minute zone. See, you are seeing rejections here, right? That is one point attracted me before I get into the 5 minutes time frame. See how I am observing the price action. That is what you need to understand. That is what experience. You will also observe such kind of things once your experience grows. Okay, here we have a clear drop base, drop 15 minute zone is there. Now let us go to the 5 minutes time frame. In the fine tuned area, here you have a drop candle, medium size leg candle. So it is a leg in. You have a 3 base candle and excellent leg out candle. But you know what I did? I fine tuned to the type 3 proximal. The reason is the type 3 proximal fine tuning is inlined with 75 minutes high liquidity zone. So that is one of the reasons reason why at proximal line of the 75 minutes high liquidity zone, the 5 minute zone I adjusted. That is after adjustment it is looking like a type 3 proximal entry within the 5 minute zone. But anyway, today prices didn't enter into this zone. We didn't get. Today morning prices reached up to here. Maybe the order flow here is very strong and pushed the market. Maybe next time again prices reach, we may get a good trade in this fine tuned area. Because this is already given a price action clue. There is a strong order flow here. But if the price would have gone a little up after that, we would have got an entry here. But anyway, the order flow is very strong. We didn't get the entry. But here why I have drawn rally base drop. Here also there is a gap with some more body, hidden body. This is a rally base drop. After that it tested and again moved up and again tested and again came. Again moved up, came close to this zone. Maybe there is a strong order flow here. There could be a high liquidity area. It could be. That is what I am predicting. And also there are rejections also there from this zone. Last time prices entered and see again how they came after that. Came down. Prices were down. By considering all these points, maybe there is nothing wrong because the risk is small. So there is nothing wrong in accepting one more trade in this zone. This could be an aggressive trade. Okay, this is about sale, but we didn't get a trade today. So this is the evaluation of performance evaluation of the high liquidity zones identified in our yesterday's report. And also we have seen the statistics of August month ending high liquidity zone statistics. So once again it proved the success rate because continuously for the past 10 or 11 months we are getting the success rate above 80%. In fact above 85% many times. Only 1 month we got 79 point some 3 or 4, I didn't exactly remember, but 79 point something we got. Except that remaining all the months we have a success rate above 80%. And many months we got success rate above 85%. The only point is 1.4% less, 1.4% less ROI we got this month. That is the only one observation you have to make. Also I told you the reason, during the entire August month, the overall market momentum is very slow. Even then we achieved 4.6% ROI. That's really a good ROI. If you don't compare with 6% average ROI, then this 4.6 is a very, very good ROI. Okay, hope let's have a better month for September. Hope we will get more intraday ROI. Anyway, we are confident that success rate will be definitely more than 80%. So that's a proven for the last 11 months. So hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next video.